Never start a boat motor without a water source. The motor can burn out in minutes. Use flusher muffs to supply water to the water intakes. Turn the water supply on. Ensure your motor is peeing water immediately.
Most of your newer motors do have a flush connector on the top of the motor where you can just hook your hose directly to it. If not, you've got the muffs, or even some of the older guys just prefer to use the muffs. One thing I would suggest though is the muffs he put directly in line with the prop. You should take those muffs and flip it to the back side of the lower unit and install them on that way. So just in case the gear case does get bumped into drive or reverse, you don't have your muffs getting chopped up and your prop getting damaged.